Groups can potentially produce more than the combined efforts of their members. In some situations, however, the individuals could accomplish more if they worked independently than if they worked together as a group. Steiner's process model of productivity attempts to explain when and why groups outperform individuals. The main point of this theory is that a group's actual productivity is determined by its potential productivity minus its process losses. These losses occur when a group's dynamics decrease its total performance and prevent it from reaching its full potential. Here are some examples of common group challenges that create process losses: the avoidance of conflict, scheduling difficulties, the formation of subgroups that exclude some members, lack of shared goals or understanding of the group's purpose, lack of accountability, resources, or group rewards, members who aren't prepared for the role or committed to the group's purpose, who don't contribute their fair share of the work, participate in group conversations, or show up for meetings, members who don't trust others, dominate group conversations, or have hidden motives, poor decisions and decision-making processes, ineffective leadership or management, wasted time discussing irrelevant topics, and unclear roles and norms. Process gains, on the other hand, occur when a group's dynamics increase its total performance. These gains represent outcomes greater than the sum of the members' outcomes. Synergy, or the assembly bonus effect, is one example. It occurs when two or more independent systems are combined in a way that produces more than the sum of the individual systems. Think about professional sports teams. How they perform in a game or match depends on more than just individual athletes playing their role. It's about how they work together, how they interact to cheer each other on and push each other farther.